Good morning, students. Welcome to Swayam Shiksha. Now, this is a video where, why this video basically is basically because of interaction with students. Now, what if I fail? What will happen? Now, these kind of doubts, if you have, now that doubt is there for everybody. What will happen? Nothing will happen. See, when we are trying for a very big target, there's a lot of evolution that happens in us, and therefore there's nothing like losing out when you're having goal. Now one student says, sir, now we are in the third attempt and now I've written two mains. Now corona has come, so therefore I think no, I can't take any more risk. Now there are two things here. One is, before taking a decision to prepare for civil services, or before taking a decision to do business, or before taking a decision to do something really big. And remember, all big achievements which we want to achieve will take a lot of effort, and there will be social exclusion. You will not be liked by the society. That's for sure. For example, if you see Elon Musk's SpaceX, when two rockets were fired, and he lost all his money, and he was standstill thinking what to do next. And there are videos where he was crying. Now, what if he wouldn't have tried? Sir, my friends have got a job in Infosys. One has gone to US. They have earned 3 crores, 4 crores, 5 crores. Now the whole logic is, now take the example of our Prime Minister himself, who has moved from a tea seller to becoming a Prime Minister. Now everybody would have told, Arey, why are you trying in politics? Do you know what your future is? Can you predict something that is going to happen? Did anybody predict that COVID will make us sit at home? Now this pressure is common for everybody. Now don't take decisions, or don't crib about the future result, and don't take decisions based on what others are looking or what others are saying. So the whole logic is what you want to do. Are you happy doing it? Then you're already successful. There's no point of, only if I reach my goal of IAS only, then I am successful. There's nothing like that. You may or may not reach. Who knows? But if you're cribbing about the future, your efficiency at this point of time today is going to go down. No, sir. No, you really feel you've taken a wrong decision, then please leave and immediately take a decision. Once you take a decision, there's no thinking back. It's the same for everybody. For example, when I resigned my government job and when I started getting into training civil services student, now there is COVID, there's nothing moving. So everybody says, no, go back, join. It's common for everybody. And remember, the toughest are the one who fight during crisis. Maximum what will happen, your friend is getting 2 houses, 3 houses, or maybe is buying a bigger car. How does it matter? Though you go there, I'll guarantee you'll not be happy. In the middle of a war, you have only one option. You have to fight the war. The problem is, you shouldn't have entered into the war. Once you have entered, you have to kill the opponent. You have to cut the throat of the opponent and move forward. There's no going back. If you're going back also, after going back, you keep thinking, Array, I should have given one more attempt. Unnecessarily, I'm sitting in front of system and working for a useless software company, getting 50,000 or 1 lakh or whatever it is. The job which you don't like, maybe a desk job, ideal, like you're sitting idle or working with the system. Now the whole problem is, what will happen if I don't get married? What will happen if you get married? What will happen if I don't buy a house? What will happen if you buy a house? So the whole logic, nothing will happen. Basically, you'll have a house. Okay, but striving for our goal, putting our 100% effort, trying to make something happen, trying to believe in your biggest goal and working towards it itself is a success. Itself will evolve you to the next level. Itself will build confidence. When COVID is there, many people died. Tomorrow you may die. but at least you'll have the satisfaction that you have tried something which you want and you have died, rather than doing something which you don't like and keep creeping. Once we have taken a decision, we have to fight it. Fight like hell, fight like a warrior, die in the battlefield. That's all. There's no going back. Or you shouldn't have entered the war. It's a war. In a war, there's no backstep. You have to kill the opponent. Remember this. That's all. So I think I made my message very clear. Take 100 days, take 200 days to decide. Think before entering the war. But once you're in the war, small things will come, go. Money may come, may not. Success may not come in the first attempt, second attempt. You may have to give more effort. But in the war, you can't go back. If you go back, you are already defeated. So we have to fight it out. Fight out. And remember one more thing. When you're growing, the whole society tries to push you down. I've seen the video of Khan sir. He teaches very well, especially Hindi medium students. And there was some troll that was running, trying to push him down. He's doing a fantastic job in terms of getting very good subscribers, and you find big corporates trying to push you down. Everywhere, if you're trying to grow, there will be hit on your head. You become too big, everybody will try to align with you. This is the logic of the society. Till you become too big. If you become too big, they'll start saying you are God. Till the time you become big, everybody will try to kick you. Now, this is the law of the land. This is how things work. We don't want anything. We are not, see, here it is basically, if you see, make observations around you. My observation was in, why I took the example of Khan sir is because he's in our domain and I've seen him teaching and I could see the troll something like, whatever his name is, who cares? He's teaching well. He's giving a lot of free content, which is useful. So that's how it is. So whenever you're trying to do good things, when you're trying to grow in a growing stage, you will be pushed down, and that is when you have to fight back. And once you fight back and become too big, now they will start coming up with alliances. They'll shake hands. So till the time somebody comes and whether they shake their hands or not, it doesn't matter. When you know that victory is already there, trying for your goal itself is you being successful. And of course, you should have a definite plan, but the real success is trying for what you want to. That is the real success. Once you're already successful, there's no point of thinking about future. It is only working in the present. That is what you have to do. No giving up easy. No just giving up in 2 months. After taking 2 months of training or after just started your preparation, you say, I can't. It's a war, remember. Keep fighting. Thank you.